to do. But we kept pushing. So all the performers that came to perform that didn't get an opportunity to perform, I personally want to say I apologize to you guys. We had a fashion show on the other side. We had a panel discussion, the 4 generations being able to talk about how the generations have changed over the years and really talk about how, you know, understanding generation to generation and how things have changed. And so we weren't able to do that perfectly, you know, we did. But we're still here, thank you so much for still showing up, being here today. Let's go.
Like a little steak. y'all can. You're going to stand on your left foot because we are moving the right foot. And you're going to do a half a diamond. Top, side, back, side, top. Everybody with me? Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y'all got that? From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. Count it out. All right. Okay. Some of y'all got a little anger back going on. It's like, it ain't my fault. It ain't my fault. All right, I'm gonna turn here to the side so I can see y'all. So this time, when you get to 5, I want you to stop, and I'm gonna do 6, 7, and 8. All right? From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the right. Left. Count it out. All right. 6, cross 7, up 8. Again, you're here at 5, 6, cross 7, up 8. Y'all ready for that? From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. Count it out. How many people stayed with me? Let me hear your hand clap. We only got a couple more pieces. Okay? So you're here on 8. You're here on 8. Rock right. 1, 2, 3. Rock left. 1, 2, 3. Okay? We're here on 8. Ready? Rock right. 1, 2, 3. Rock left. Turn around. 1, 2, 3. Last part of the dance, you're gonna walk 4, starting on your right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pop. 2, 3, 4. That's the whole dance. Let's start it back from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8 to the right. Left. Count it out. Rock right. Rock left. Turn it out. Pop it out. To the right. Left. Count. Rock right. Rock left. Turn it out. Pop it out. To the right. Left. Count. Rock right. Rock left. Count it out. And pop. 2, 3, 4. Now when you pop, let me just say, because some of y'all are standing there just popping your fan. You are supposed to pop your hip with it too. So when you do that last pop, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're supposed to put that hip, the other hip, that side. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. She was working that left side, but it's the right. There you go, baby. All right, y'all ready? We ready.